Hi, my name is Jessie. I'm Coohom's marketing manager. Welcome to Coohom's headquarters in Hangzhou. Today, I'm taking you inside to see how we transform business operations and drive efficiency for enterprises around the world.
With Coohom as the dedicated solution for the international market, we take this industrial power global, supporting 14 languages and serving enterprise partners in over 200 countries and regions. Our aim is simple: make powerful 3D design fast, accessible, connected, and inspiring for everyone. With Coohom, teams create detailed floor plans, apply materials and lighting, and generate photorealistic renders and walkthroughs in just a few clicks. AI and advanced cloud rendering helps brands present spaces in real time, collaborate online globally, and move from concept to production-ready visuals and data.
But the technology is only half of the equation. The other half is the team that's driving it. Now, let's meet the team behind your success.
Hello, I'm Jerry, head of Coohom. Our mission is to empower designers, retailers, manufacturers globally with our AI-driven 3D design tools that compress weeks of work into hours. Our solutions deliver a complete workflow. The Smart Link suite turns initial designs into photoreal content for instant approvals and generates precise production data for maximum efficiency. The Go Global suite makes this possible worldwide, providing a centralized digital product library and universal assets, allowing brands to build once, manage in one place, and synchronize globally. This ensures seamless design to order across the entire chain, drastically accelerating global delivery. Today, meet the teams making this powerful global transformation possible.
Hi, I'm Tinsley. My team works to ensure our global brand partners are always at the forefront of the industry. We connect the clients with Coohom's latest solutions and innovations through strategic engagement with industry associations, key global events, and media partnerships. Our goal is to equip our customers to fully leverage their 3D design and visualization capabilities, allowing them to powerfully differentiate their market offerings and dramatically improve their operational efficiency.
Hi guys, I'm Josie from User Operation Team. My team is helping you to unlock your creativity. We provide a massive library of 3D models and materials, not to mention about our tutorials, help you to master our Coohom in no time.
Hi, I'm Joshua. The product team I lead focuses on matching our top-tier tech to your demands. Whether it comes to technical capabilities or interactive interfaces, we aim to provide you the most seamless design experience.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm the head for Coohom's Asia Pacific operations. My team is dedicated to bring the Coohom solution to our customers, creating added value and empowering their staff and their workflow. We do this by localizing all the solutions and making sure that the customers benefit from our solution to their businesses and also to their daily work.
I'm Jimmy. My team specializes in supporting our clients in Japan and Korea. Our mission is to help them strategically scale Coohom across their entire organization, integrating our advanced design and visualization platform into a powerful enterprise-wide sales and collaboration engine that drives massive business integration and growth.
This is Alan, and with our Changsha inbound sales team, we are able to seize the opportunity across the North America and the EMEA areas. We are able to provide our tailored right Coohom solution to those potential customers and help them to increase their design working flow.
Hi, this is Karen, leader of Coohom Business Support Team. Our customer success, implementation team, and sales operation are providing exceptional customer experience to our internal and external global customers.
Hi, I'm Emma. Привет, меня зовут Emma. Называемся Emma. I'm customer success consultant. We don't just support, we architect customer success journey with tailored onboarding and strategic guidance that ensures Coohom becomes growth engine for customer.
Hola, I'm Christopher. I'm Chris, implementation engineer. We integrate Coohom to our clients' tech ecosystem and business process with minimal disruption, ensuring their rapid adoption and maximizing their ROI from day one. As a global team, we are equipped with all the tools to make a seamless integration worldwide.
Hi, I'm Catherine, HRBP at Coohom. Our greatest strength is our people, and we are committed to hiring the very best. Each team member in our team is carefully selected for their skills and their dedication to serving you with their excellence. So when you choose us, you are choosing a team that's sincerely here to support and deliver for you.
Behind Coohom is a truly global team, from Hangzhou and Shanghai to the United States, India, Thailand, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Our local offices support customers in their own markets and languages. We stay locally present and globally connected, so every customer gets fast, reliable service that matches their business and culture.
From our innovation hubs here in China to our local experts supporting you worldwide, our goal is simple: to give your organization the speed and power to scale. Thank you for visiting Coohom today. We look forward to building the future of business with you.